Hi guys, welcome. In this video, we'll start from where we left off in our last video. So yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and create our next component. Next component, we will just try to understand the input and select binding. Let's go ahead and do that. Hello input binding. Okay, so it created hello input bindings. Let's go ahead and check this. First, let's check this file, and then we have hello input binding. This is just an empty component. Okay, let's go ahead and put some title here. Title list. Let's name this title list Sir, Miss, Madam, and Mr. Okay, and let's create a variable selected title, which will be default to let's make it null for by default, and then there is a name. Okay, so now we'll go to hello input bindings and try to understand this. Okay, let's go ahead and create our select. Let's create a form group. Title. Let's create a placeholder, select title, and then for each we'll go and title list as title and for each. Here we can just render the title here. Let's go ahead and check the browser if it works. I think there's just one small typo here. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, so we have to render this component here as well in our welcome PHP. For this, we'll just put livewire hello input bindings, and that's it. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, we can see it rendered the component. Let's add some margins and actually let's go ahead and open these two in a separate in a side-by-side window. Hello input bindings. Okay, for that you just click on the file and split right, and that's it. Let's go ahead and minimize this. Okay, so we can see this is the PHP side of this is the PHP side of the component. This is the blade side of the component. Let's go ahead and add some margins here, and let's add this class here. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, okay, so it seems everything is in place. Let's go ahead and render this here. Okay, let's go ahead and see like why our bootstrap is not working. Repeat source. Okay, suppose okay. I think let's go ahead and use the bootstrap 4. It should work. Let's remove this hashes and integrity check. We don't need that. Let's go ahead and refresh our page again. Cool, so it is working. Let's put a container class to the body, so everything is decently centralized. And let's put style of margin to up to 3 rem. Actually, let's make it 5. And refresh this, and let's hide this window as well. Okay, cool, so everything is working fine. Okay, this is select title, and let's go ahead and add an input from the name as well. Now let's copy this here and and change this to name, and this time we'll just use our input. Let's just wire it to name. Okay, let's add a clause. Okay, let's add another row here and let's render it. Hi. Selected title. How are you? Name. I think that should do the job. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay. Okay, if we have to wire this guy as well. Let's go ahead and refresh it again and let's see if it works. Cool. So it does work. Okay, and let's add the name here, John Doe. Okay, so here I will try to help you understand another concept here. As you can see, like, it is reactive, it works fine without any JavaScript, without any knowledge of your React review, and it decently work very well. It is a very well-known concept. If you see the Caleb Orzio own videos, so he tells that even GitHub is also using this framework, this type of framework to just render the HTML all the way from the server and just put it in the browser wherever they need. Okay, so to understand another concept, actually I just want you to notice that as soon as you type, there are so many calls going on, but most of the time you don't want to do that. So for this, actually Livewire provides another method that we call debounce, and then you can put how many milliseconds you want for the next call. Let's put it 500 milliseconds so you can see the difference, and let's go ahead. Okay, cool. It waited 500 milliseconds and then it sent another call. Okay guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Cheers.